This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the sync now, so first confirm you're signed into the same Viber account on both devices. This ensures messages map correctly. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and have sufficient battery. Syncing large histories uses power and data. Now update Viber to the latest version so features align. Tap Settings, then Account. This begins the process. You're taking control up front to avoid mismatched chats and partial backups. Start by creating a fresh backup on your old device so you have a restore point. This prevents data loss if anything fails. Then select Transfer Messages to a new device. Viber will prompt you to scan a QR code or enter a short PIN shown on the receiving device. Follow those on screen prompts precisely. The QR/PIN links the two devices securely. While transfer runs, keep both screens unlocked and apps active so the process doesn't pause or corrupt files. On the new device, choose Restore from Backup once the link is confirmed. This pulls chats, media, and settings into place. You'll see progress indicators. Be patient because large media libraries take longer. After restore completes, scan through recent chats and a few old ones to confirm content integrity. If something's missing, make sure the backup completed on the old device, check available storage, and restart both devices before repeating the transfer. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.